Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video we are going to learn about the let and const variable declarations in the ES6. So how to declare the variables with the let and const and what are the differences between them. So about this, we can now declare the block scope variables in the JavaScript ES6 with the let and const instead of the var keyword. So the let is similar to the var but the variables are of block scope, and variables declared with the let can be updated and changed, but the variables which are declared with the const cannot be updated at all. But why do we need them? So if I will now go to the Visual Studio Code, and here if I will declare a new variable with the var, and it will be the num1 equals to 1. So if I will now console.log this via the global window object, so like the window dot, it will be the num1, then it will give us the num1 value, which is the 1 because the variables declared with the var are declared as the global scopes. But if I will now declare a variable with the let, then it will be the net num2 equals to 2. So if I will console.log this via the global window object, window dot num2, then it will give me the undefined because the variables declared with the let are declared as the block scope. Block scopes. So these are the differences between them. So the var declares the global scopes and the let declares the block scopes. So if I will now see another example, so if there is a for loop like the for, and we declare a for loop initialization with the var I equals to 0, and then the I less than 10, till that I will increment the I. So if I will console.log the I value, the value of I inside loop. So after this, if I will now try to access the I, then you will see value of I inside the loop, then it will be 0 1 2 3 4 till the 9. But if I will now try to access this outside the loop, then you will see it will be 10, because now the I has incremented till the 9 times and now the value is 10 because the var is of global scope variables. So but if I will now declare it with the let, then you will see there will be the error in the screen that the I is not defined because the variables declared with the let are of the block scopes. So these are the differences between the let and the var keyword. So why do we need them? To store the temporary data in the memory and to create a block scope variables with the ES6 with the let and const. And now about the const, if I will now go again to the Visual Studio Code again, so it would be, so if I will now declare a new variable with the let, and with the let is logged in equals to true or the false. So if I will now try to console.log the is logged in, then you will see there will be the false in the window screen because we have initialized the is logged in with the false. But if I will try to give a new value to the is logged in, then it would be true. So if I will now console.log now the is logged in, then it will be true because now we have updated the value of the let keyword. If I will now comment this out, if I will now declare a variable with the const, then it will be the const is logged in, then it would be the false initially. So if I will console.log the is logged in, then it would be false. But if I will try to give it a new value like the is logged in equals to the true, then it will give me an error because the const variable declares the constants and its value never changes. So these are the differences and the variable declarations between the let and the const. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video, and guys please subscribe to our channel if you are new.